Okay, hey, this is Jared. There's the helpers over there. Okay, they're really helping. Okay, so I want to show you real quick. Um, Back to this project I'm doing for the bunk bed in the van. Anyways, I'm gonna make a cut because I'm gonna put. I don't know if I mentioned this on that first video. I'm gonna put a hinge in there. I'm not gonna have one long piece of wood. It's gonna be a hinge in the middle, so I can fold it up and carry it, drive around with it, and pack it in there and put it on the roof. Maybe, I don't know, whatever. But make it easier to carry and handle. And then when it's ready to go, I'll unfold it and set it up. So just a tip, I just have a table saw. I'm sorry, I do not have a table saw. I just have a circular saw. And so I wanted to just show you, this is another video I found on YouTube, so you might find another one too if you were looking for how to do this. But how to make a straight cut, instead of drawing a line, which is then hard to just make a straight cut if you're just following a line with your free hand. I clamped this. I had this scrap piece of MDF from a previous project, and I just clamp it here. Now, this piece is going to be 34 inches long, but I had to measure at 35 and 3/8, I believe, because the distance between this blade and right here is 1 3/8. So if you want, you just have to add that, and then when you go to make your cut, you can just follow that along, and that'll be your fence, and you just make your cut. Okay, I'm not going to record making the cut. Everybody's getting loud and everything, so we will just sign off for now. Again, check out my wife's video or my wife's website. I would appreciate that. The link is down below. Spend a minute there. If you haven't seen already, I talk about it all the time. Please visit my wife's website. Spend a minute on the site. It helps us rank better with Google. And also like and subscribe, YouTube, blah, blah, blah. Okay, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the continued or finished project of the van bunk bed. Thank you.